guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best air purifiers. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the air purifiers in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best air purifiers on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Ikea FÖRNUFTIG. Ikea's entry into the air purifying category is nothing but a game changer. Apart from looking good, it is cheap and gets the job done as soon as possible. It has a decent CADR of 140, and it empties two filters, a HEPA 12 filter and a carbon filter. However, purchasing the unit only includes the HEPA 12 filter. You'll have to spend an extra $13 to get the carbon filter, which is good for eliminating unwanted odors. It's not capable with a smartphone app, but at $60, you can't expect it to be smart. Besides its technical capabilities, the FÖRNUFTIG happens to be quite attractive. It's pretty similar to IKEA's speakers, made in collaboration with Sonos, and that's a good thing. Also, the thing that hangs on the wall, which is objectively cool and highlights how light and thin it is. Number 9. Blueair Pure 411. If you live in a room up to 161 square feet, the Blueair 411 is just for you. It completes up to 5 air changes an hour, and it weighs only 3 pounds, so you can easily transport the device from room to room without issue. Its fabric, Pure Filter, which is machine washable that helps to extend the life of the HEPA filter, comes in various colors to fit your interior design aesthetic, so it doesn't look too sterile in your impeccably designed home. Because of its 360-degree air intake, you can place the purifier almost anywhere and still experience peak performance. The 411 also boasts energy efficiency, unlike many others on the market, which makes this budget pick a good deal in the long run too. Coming at number 8, Levoit Core 400S. Many people buy air purifiers to help them with their allergies. If you look to quit the sneezing, get the Levoit Core 400S. The compact air purifier has a unique trademark technology that quickly picks up the air quality in the room to automatically adjust its fan speed to clear up the muck. Plus, it has a CADR of 260 with an optimal room size of 403 square feet. The unit itself displays the filter life and real-time updates of the number of airborne particles. But if you sync it up with the accompanying Levoit app, you'll get in-depth information and remote control. Most importantly, the Levoit allows users to quickly adjust the fan speed to their indoor air quality and effectively remove airborne particles, especially allergens. Coming in number 7, Coway Airmega 200M. The Coway Airmega 200M is made by the same company as the AP-1512HH Mighty, and it's virtually identical to that model in every aspect, namely the controls, noise, and performance. Their filters and even their faceplates are interchangeable, and like the Mighty, the Airmega 200M has a display shutoff feature that allows you to dim its lights, something we value highly for bedroom use. So if you prefer the Airmega 200M's looks, or if you find it at a better price, we recommend it just as highly. Number 6. Honeywell HPA100 HEPA Air Purifier. Providing cleaner and fresher air for small to medium-sized rooms of up to 155 square feet. The Honeywell HPA100 HEPA Air comes with a HEPA filtration system that captures up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles. With this air purifier, dust, pollen, and smoke are just no match for the cleaning levels that circulate air about 4.8 times per hour, including the turbo clean setting that comes with the HPA100 HEPA Air that does the toughest of filtration jobs. Coming in at number 5, Blueair 211 Plus. The most important factor in purchasing an air purifier is its effectiveness, but many also consider how it looks. Some either look too sterile or like a droid out of Star Wars. The Blueair 211 Plus is simple in its looks and exceptionally good at removing odors from cooking both quickly and effectively. The 200 Plus can complete up to 5 air changes an hour in a 540 square room. And our test found it worked well in combating smoke and food odors in an open floor plan. Because the 200 Plus is small and lightweight, you can somewhat easily carry the air purifier from room to room, depending on where you need it. One downside is the air purifier does not have an auto function, but on the other way around, it sucks up odors and smokes, it's nothing to it. Coupled with good room coverage and excellent strength, the Blueair 211 Plus is simply elegant with colorful options. Coming at number 4, new Wave OxyPure Smart Air Purifier. This infomercial staple is a monster at 27 pounds and more than 2 feet in height, and while it won't win any design awards, it gets the job done. Its CADR ratings of 332 to 369 are untouchable, and its battery of 4 filters is indeed effective at scrubbing the air clean of anything in short order. Even a lunchtime fish fry is no match for the OxyPure, which leaves the kitchen smelling as fresh as cleaning day in a matter of minutes. If OxyPure has a downfall, it's its app, which is simply a recreation of its onboard controls and lacks a scheduling system or any kind of pollutant monitoring view. That said, when I want my air cleaned up, and I want it cleaned up fast, this is my go-to purifier. Number 3, Mila Smart Air Purifier. Coming with a CADR rating of up to 447 in rooms as big as 1,000 square feet. The power unit has an in-depth display that offers information most air purifiers require an app to see. In auto mode, set Mila to hit a target air quality index AQI, and it'll tell you how long it will take to get there and how it compares to the outdoor AQI as reported by the closest air quality reporting station. Mila also monitors temperature, humidity, and carbon monoxide detector, among a host of other useful information and insight. The air purifier uses tailored air filters that address specific needs for its users. For example, there are filters for pet owners, new parents, overall clean freaks, etc. One knock against the Mila is that because it has a manual on-off switch, you can't power it on or off remotely, which is odd since the device is also smart. Overall, Mila is affordable yet smart and effective with an impressive breadth of air quality information. Coming at number 2, Coway Airmega 250. Coway's Airmega 250 ups the power of our Go For This, and it combines the looks of its best-looking air purifier and the power of its most powerful unit. It also somehow does it for a very reasonable price. The machine covers an impressive 930 square feet, packing CADR of 230 for pollen, 249 for smoke, and 261 for dust. The Airmega 250 uses 3-stage filtration, a washable pre-filter, a green true HEPA filter, and an active carbon filter, which is standard with Coway air purifiers, so you know it's good. A glance at the machine lets you know how your air is doing thanks to the LED air quality indicator atop the unit. Most of the time you will be in the blue, which means your air quality is great. And I'm pretty sure it's thanks to the Airmega 250. Number 1, Coway AP-1512HH Mighty Air Purifier. The Airmega AP-1512HH offers some of the best air purifications, with CADR ratings of 240 for pollen, 246 for dust, and 233 for smoke at its price point, and it does so in rooms up to 361 square feet. Plus, its small build makes it easy to tuck away. It has a triple filter system, a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter, plus an ionizer. A built-in air quality monitor tracks air quality and, when running in auto mode, will adjust the fan speed according to its readings. Many users comment that the device worked well at eliminating kitchen odors and smokes, even in an open floor plan that was about 200 square feet bigger than recommended. For the money, this is sure a good pick. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best air purifiers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.